Hello guys, welcome back to the Analytics channel. As data enthusiasts today, we are going to be diving into the world of data visualization and analytics with a comprehensive guide on how to use Looker Studio. So if you're ready to unlock the power of data, you are in the right place. My name is Mary and I am a senior data associate at Analytics, and I'll be your guide to understanding how to use Looker Studio. So if you are new here, before we continue, consider hitting that subscribe button and tapping the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our data-driven content. So let's unravel the magic of Looker Studio. So welcome back once again. And in this video, we're majorly going to be talking about a brief introduction into Looker Studio, understanding what the benefits are and how the interface looks like. Before we dive into what Looker Studio is and some of the benefits, we'll be reminded that it used to be called Data Studio. So if we look at this logo, some of us are familiar with this logo, understanding that this is now the new Looker. Data Studio has been transformed into Looker Studio. And Looker Studio is still an interface under the Looker package. So what is Looker Studio? As we all know, Looker Studio is an advanced data analytics and business intelligence platform that transforms raw data into meaningful insights and turns them into interactive dashboards and reports. It has a very good user-friendly interface. It empowers individuals from various technical background and also business users who do not have deep understanding of how to use these tools to easily create visualization that help them gain insights from their data, which they cannot just see in the first view. So we are going to also look at the powerful features of Looker Studio. Some of these features have been summarized in this PowerPoint presentation, one of which is creating customized dashboard, which I've mentioned earlier, to showcase key metrics and trends. Sometimes we have a table and we cannot really see, we have a table of data, maybe a sales data, and we cannot really see what the data is talking about just at the glance of it. Using Looker Studio to visualize your data, drawing out key metrics and using maybe a line chart to visualize your data shows you the trend of your performance over a particular period of time. You use it to visualize data using various charts, graphs, and visualizations. We explore data at different levels of granularities to reveal deeper insights. This is all some of the characteristics of Looker Studio. It also has numerous connectors that you can connect to various databases and various platforms to extract data into Looker for your visualization. You can also collaborate with various individuals or your teammates in your company to work together and create an interactive dashboard to push the business forward. Looker Studio also has a Looker ML simplified coding language for advanced customization and data modeling. So we are going to also be looking at the Looker Studio interface to understand how this interface works and what we can use to visualize, and some of the connectors we can use to connect to this interface to visualize our data very easily. So to get to your Looker Studio, all you have to do is come to your Google search bar and type in Looker Studio. Click on search. And you can just click on this button here. You can just click on this link here and it will take you directly to Looker Studio. I already have this opened up on my PC, so we're just going to go directly to the interface to see how it actually looks like. So like every other Google app tool, everything is done on web. We have the Google Looker Studio on your web page. It's completely free. You don't have to pay for it. You don't have to use anything to get it. You just have to go to your browser and search for it, sign up, and you have access to your Google Looker Studio. So when you look at this interface, you can see how easy it is to navigate. You look here, you see your templates, various design inspiration for your templates to see how the platform works. We also have a tutorial, which if you go into, you will see step-by-step tutorials of how to use this interface. And right here, you can click on this plus sign to create a new report. When you have some visualizations, you will see a history of your visualizations dropped here with their various titles. You can easily change your title. You can share your data to various people. So like every other Google interface, everything can be found on the web. Every Google app can be found on the web. So can your Looker Studio be found on a web page. You can easily access it and create an account to log in and access this data visualization platform. As you can see, the platform is straightforward and easy to use. You can access some templates here to show you how it works, some example templates show you how it works. And you can also see where the data has been gotten from Google Analytics and Console. There is also a tutorial report here that shows you how to use Looker Studio, step-by-step tutorials. And also this plus sign allows you to create a new report in the Looker Studio. When you build your dashboard, you will see the history of the dashboard you built here, aligned one after the other. And you can also share your reports with various individuals, your colleagues, your business partners. You can rename your reports or remove your reports from, delete your reports from the dashboard. This is, delete your reports from this list. It doesn't mean that your reports will directly go missing, or if you do this mistakenly, you can easily go to this trash and restore your data. We are not going to be looking into that right now. So we are going to be going directly into the Looker Studio. We are going to click on this create and select and click on reports. So once you enter this phase of your report page, the first thing you see is this slide that comes up showing you various connectors. As you can see, we have over 23 Google connectors right here. It shows you different connectors from Google, as well as you can get access to other connectors that are not Google related. You can get even connections to your local files within your computer. So you can see Snowflakes, Facebook ad, Lighthouse, various connectors as much as you can access. So let's look at the sample data to see how this works in a brief moment. We can add our data. We'll go through that in later videos, step by step. So once you load a data set, it opens up here showing you two columns. One shows your data and the other one shows you your charts and your visualization setup, how you can select different kind of attributes, dimensions, and metrics to put into your data. You can also change the styles and text styles and color of your data through this place, through this setup place, through this style place. Table headers, you can change your table headers, you can change how it looks, you can change the style of your table from here. You can also add rows, add other columns, add other materials to your data. And for charts, you can click on any charts you want through this place. So you see a list of charts from this column, and I can just select this bubble chart just to change it from table to a map. So you can see how easy it is to analyze this, to work with this interface. It's easy to just to drag and drop, you can see. So that's how easy it is to generate insights from this data, from this interface, I mean. So you can just click here on charts. You can click on add data, add page. You can edit, visualize, insert, arrange, get more resources. We're going to look more into how this interface can be used to gain insights into your data in the next videos. So now that we know what the Looker Studio interface looks like and what it can do, here are some of the benefits of using Looker Studio. As we already know, it helps us enhance data understanding, simplifying complex data into actionable insights, efficient decision making. Once you have visualized your data, it helps you to gain insight into your data. Gaining insight into your data helps you to understand how to make effective decision making, empowering users to make informed decisions. It also fosters teamwork through shared insight and dashboard. As we all know, one of the key features of Looker Studio is the collaborative share button that we can use to share data with various people within our organizations or businesses, to help us put two heads together to work as a team and improve our data insights. Scalable insight, easily scale your data analysis as your data grows. You can add various amounts of data as it comes into your data warehouse without having to create new dashboard. So working with real life data is going to be very easy for you to use Looker Studio to connect to various platforms. You can also use Looker Studio to embed various links into your website to showcase the data visualization that you have created using Looker Studio. So to sum it all up, Looker Studio is your data visualization tool to go to, whether you are wrangling complex data sets or simplifying insights for a presentation. Looker Studio has the tools to make your data stand out. So thank you for spending time to explore Looker Studio interface with me and understanding how to use it and some of the benefits it can provide for your businesses or as a data professional looking for new tools to enhance your data visualization attributes. So until next time, before I go, if you found this video useful, feel free to share it with your colleagues, other data enthusiasts, and remember, data is the new oil. Until next time, see you and goodbye.